In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma to Webflow plugin, how to convert your Figma designs into a working Webflow website. We're going to take a Figma design and hand it off to Webflow using the official plugin, so your layout, text styles, and assets move over in a clean, structured way. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into both Figma and Webflow and have the Figma file you want to convert open. It helps to keep your frames organized, layers named clearly, and styles defined because tidy design files translate into smoother builds. Start inside your Figma project with your design visible, head to the top left corner and click the Figma logo. That opens the main menu where you'll find tools for your file, preferences, libraries, and plugins. From here, hover over or click plugins to reveal more options. Choose Manage Plugins. This is where you can find, install, and organize plugins connected to your Figma account. The Manage view includes a search field, which we'll use to locate the Webflow connector quickly. In the search bar, type Figma to Webflow. You're looking for the plugin titled Design in Figma, Launch in Webflow. This integration is designed to push your selected frames, styles, and assets to Webflow, giving you a strong starting point for responsive development. Open the plugins page to confirm it's the correct one, then proceed. Next, click Run. The plugin will open a panel inside Figma. If it's your first time, it may ask for permission to connect to your Webflow account so it can create assets and map styles. That connection is required to send your design data securely. When prompted, an authorization window will open. Review the details, make sure you're signed into the correct Webflow workspace, and click Authorize App. This grants the plugin the access it needs to upload assets and reference your sites. You can always manage or revoke permissions later from your Webflow account settings. After authorization, the plugin is ready to use. At this stage, a few best practices go a long way. Keep frames sized to realistic breakpoints. Use auto layout where appropriate so spacing translates more predictably. And apply Figma text and color styles consistently. Flatten overly complex effects. Export large images at appropriate sizes and ensure component and layer names are descriptive since those names often carry into class naming on the Webflow side. And that's it. You've located the plugin, launched it, and authorized the connection between Figma and Webflow. Congratulations. From here, you can follow the on-screen guidance in the plugin and then refine your build inside Webflow with interactions, responsive tweaks, and CMS features.